time to learn my favorite function of GENIBOT, music.
Oh, nice. So, what are you gonna do?
You were a math teacher, I'm a music teacher. Let's make a song.
Oh, great. So, I want to ask you, if you want to play the song with GENIBOT, what kind of event card?
Yeah, first, the event card, we need to use sound.
Correct. So, without count, you can also play the song, but when you use this sound card, then you can... What kind of function for this card?
Oh, the other ones, volume and music.
Yes, but for the music, you can save.
Oh, save a song.
You can save the song.
Mm-hmm.
But you can check there's any special chip or NFC things on the card.
Just a card.
Correct, just a paper. Yes. So, I just want to show the example, then you can play whatever you want. Easy one. Do, re, mi first. Do, re, mi. So, when you use this card, it's very easy.
Right.
Touch. Then, do, re, mi, re, do, we can save this sound card. After that, when you play a song, we're gonna use these two cards. Start and end, like this. Now, this card, I show you.
Counting start, sound. Counting end.
Good. Okay. After that, we also can use or mixed other card. I want to ask a quick question. We already learned how to use this direction card, right?
Right.
And when you use this card like this, oh, I want to use this card in front of the direction card. And then I show you.
Counting start, sound. Move or turn right. Counting end.
Please remember this action. I just want to explain the difference between this case and this case.
Right.
We can guess. The first case is...
While GENIBOT is moving, it is also playing the music.
Correct. But this one, let's look at it.
Counting start. Move forward. Turn right. Sound. Counting end.
Turn right. That means after GENIBOT move, then play a song.
Right.
Yeah, because some students want to play a song when GENIBOT reach the final destination, then like play the song, right? Okay, so you are a math music teacher. What kind of song you like?
We can do something everyone knows. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Oh, so do you remember the
Yes. I
music?
do.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Starts with do. Sol. Here. La.
La, so you
And
can.
then it goes back to
Yes,
sol.
correct. Yes. So actually,
So if I just lay them out, I can play.
if you have
right?
enough music card, then you can put on this card by order. But we don't have enough card. That's why we can just touch, repeat, and then you can play the song. So do, re, mi,
Lo, fa. Here
fa.
it is.
Yeah. So la. This is enough to play
That's
the song?
enough.
Okay, yeah. So you can save the music first.
Sound.
To sound.
Sound.
Oh. Now we save this little star to sound card.
It's all on here now.
Yes, right. So when you play the song, then you can put it on the card. Yes. And then touch.
Coding start. Sound. Coding end.
Good.
Good. Yes. But I just wonder. I wonder that you know this kind of function or not. Well, when you play this music, the length is constant. We cannot change.
Right.
Right. So do you know how to change the length of each music card?
I imagine using the number card similar to the sound volume.
Well, we want to do it, but we do not apply this
Oh.
kind of function yet. So when you change the length, what are you going to call this kind of things on the music?
Right. So you're talking about not only changing the length, but just changing the note quality, like half note, quarter note.
Yes, right. So when you use
Eighth
this kind
note.
of function, then you can use our application.
Yes.
Yes, we already have Android and iOS. So you can download from the Google Play Store or App Store? Yeah, for iOS. And then you can use the app to play different kinds of music.
Okay.
So, is it hard?
No, not at all.
Not at all. Also, this time we can use this GENIBOT to play music. Yes. Okay, Aaron. So we learned how to use GENIBOT for the music. So what do you think about it, this kind of function?
It's fantastic. Children can make their own music if they want to. You have cards from Do to Hi Fa. And if there's any other thing you want to play, you can use the application.
Great. Good. So now we can go to the next chapter. You remember?
Yeah, and the next chapter is
Grid line. So we're gonna use another event card to follow the grid line for the next chapter.
all right.